Going to future versus will future. How do we from the going to future? To be. Plus going to. Plus infinitive. How do we form the will future? Subject. Plus will. Plus infinitive. How do we use the going to future? Number 1. Planned actions. For example, we going to play at grandma's house. Number 2. When you sure that something is going to happen. For example, look out. Your phone is going to fall. How do we use the will future? Number 1. Immediate decisions. For example, will you marry me? Yes, I will. Number 2. Predictions, to suppose to be true. For example, if you don't go now, you will miss the bus.